stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back for another video. I'll talk about the stock market in this video. So right now, guys, there's a lot of FUD in the market. You got a lot of bullshit going on. I'll just call it bullshit because that's exactly what it is. You got the governments wanting to hold down the market with inflation fears, but they've only done one hike this year with inflation. So the market is manipulated, guys, but you still can make money. You just got to be patient. Like, it's nothing. I always tell my clients with the stock market, you put money in the market that you can afford to hold for years. Like, I don't look at it as a short-term investment. Like, some of the companies I'm in, I bought them in infancy stage, and I'm going to hold these companies for years. So I don't really give a damn what the government is doing right now because I'm a long-term investor. The only part that sucks for me, selling calls and puts, I'm not able to really exercise the options that I had in some of my positions. So before, what I was doing, like as early as November, I was selling calls and puts on positions that I was holding. But since the market has declined so much, I'm not even trading the market anymore. I'm just holding my positions. And if I have any extra powder on the side, I call cash powder, because that's what it is. You're not making no money on cash. So what I'll do is I'm just lowering my positions. So let's say, like, if I'm in an average of a stock at $4 and that stock now is down to $2, I'm buying the dips and going on vacation. That's my strategy, because there's nothing you can do. There's no need to stress the stock market. Long-term stock market holding, even on a S&P 500 ETF, you're going to get 8% a year. So it's really nothing to stress about. Now, I know some of y'all down in some of y'all positions 30, 40, maybe even 50%, and it's looking ugly. But just like when Corona came around and the stock market dipped, it came back. And this is going to be no different. When the market turns around, you're going to wish you would have lowered your positions. Buy the dips and go on vacation. That's my advice for this stock market. Buy the dips and go on vacation. Because eventually, the war, all this stuff that's keeping the market down is going to be done, and we're going to be back to a bull market. Because I feel like inflation has already been factored in. Like, I think inflation is the price of some of these stocks. Inflation is already baked in. So it's already factored in. So just be patient. It's definitely a good time if you got some cash sitting on the side and you're already in a position that you down 20, 30%. If you can afford to, lower your positions and wait. There's nothing to stress about. It's people that's in the market that got a lot more to lose than me. So I'm not worried about, being down right now. It's a good time to add more shares. And that's really how you get rich. You get rich when the stock market is falling, because you're able to get your same positions at a lower cost. You had something at $10 that fell to $3. If you feel that company is a good company, it has good financials, long term, you're looking at it as a $30 stock. Why are you about to have a nervous breakdown on the short term? This just been 6 months. That's not a long time in the stock market that prices have fell. And look at all the stuff that went wrong. It just created a lot of opportunities to buy. So long term, the market will be just fine. Wall Street gonna make sure it's fine. I'm just a pawn in the stock market. I drop my money in and wait, travel, wait on it to run up, because there's no need to stress. When the market movers are ready to make the market move, that's what they do. So you just buy your stocks and hold. Wait. Buy the dips. Chill. Research. It's a good time to get in some blue chip stocks. Good time to, even if you just not really a trader of stocks, you just want to hoard them, it's a good time to buy stocks. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, it's a good time to buy cryptocurrency. Because Bitcoin going to 100,000, by the way, guys. This next bull run, I think that the bear market is with cryptocurrency is even short. It's getting ready to run. So when all this nonsense move on out the way, we're going to be back to making some money. And if you lowered your positions that you've been holding and you down 50% right now, if you actually bought more shares and lowered your position, you're going to get richer. So we're not going to stress over here on stocks, crypto credit movements. We're going to put ourselves in position to capitalize off this nonsense that Uncle Sam got going on. You can capitalize off of this. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing out here in these streets to pay these bills, continue to eat what I want. You got to think differently. You got to think. It's too much money tied to the stock market for it to fail. They keep telling people, oh, they tell you all this stuff that make you sell your stocks at a loss. They win. They picking up stocks for nothing. And you keep taking L's. Buy the dips and go on vacation. That's what we need to do. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing in these turbulent times. It's a good time to lower, get in and lower your position. I'm going to stop here for the day, but remain patient, travel, laugh, go eat that $100 steak, because this market going to turn around. But are you going to profit when it was down? Until next time, we ain't stressing here. We going to get that money.